In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your TikTok URL to your Big Cartel shop. This is a straightforward process that allows you to seamlessly integrate your TikTok presence with your e-commerce platform, potentially drawing in a wider audience from your social media engagement. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we'll begin by accessing the Big Cartel dashboard. If you're already logged in, you should see this as your starting point, where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Once you're in the dashboard, direct your attention to the top section. You'll find a menu listing several options. Here, you're going to click on Account. This section houses various settings related to your store, and it's where we'll start configuring the design aspects of your shop. After clicking on Account, you'll want to scroll down until you find the section titled Shop Design. This is an important area because it controls how your shop looks and feels to visitors, and it's also where you can manage integrations like your social media links. When you've located Shop Design, click on the button that says Go to Shop Designer. This will redirect you to the interface where you can make design choices and customize your shop appearance. Once you're in the Shop Designer, you'll notice on the top left that there's a menu. Here, you're going to click on Settings. Within Settings, you can control various elements of your shop's appearance and functionality. This is where you'll add your social media links to your shop, making them more accessible to visitors and potential customers. Now, once you're in the settings area, go ahead and scroll down. What you're looking for here is a section that specifically mentions social media links. It may be a bit further down, so take your time to locate it. Social media links are crucial as they create a bridge between your shop and the broader community you engage with on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and more. When you find the social media links section, click on it. You'll see different input fields for various platforms you might be using. Your focus here is on TikTok, so look for the field labeled TikTok URL. This field is meant for you to insert the link to your TikTok profile. Simply add your TikTok URL in the provided input box. Ensure that the URL is correct and includes the full address so that visitors can easily click through to view your TikTok content. And that's it. By following these steps, you have successfully connected your TikTok account to your Big Cartel store, enhancing your shop's social media presence. This integration can help attract more followers and customers by providing them with direct access to your engaging TikTok content. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was easy to understand and helpful.